You know, somebody asked me the other day, Donna, how you did it? How you did it raising your kids them? Let me tell you something. You see, social media, my kids them never go on social media until them did in them teens. I mean, social media is totally different from even now. Too much toxic things is on social media. You see, activity, I used to take my kids them to Emancipation Park. I used to let them do activity, play, buy toys. I let them interact with themselves. You understand? It was for them, and I let them interact. They play together, they do things together, them cook together. So this is it. Like, you allow your children them to play. Playtime is very important, and by your queen the day run off, so you need to set a little schedule for your children them and keep them off of the toxic things them. Give them tablet and phone from early and open them up to the world. It's too much for them brain, and them cannot manage it, so sometimes them go down in a gutter because of that. You know, if you wait until them mind develop, them brain with positivity that you install in a them system from early out, then you know it's hard for them to just divert. It hard. So me not have them problem there. My kids them not really a social media person like that. Just the last one, but the three first one is not a social media person. So me think say the best thing I'm gonna do is to guide on the children them.